Alright, so welcome to riddle number 22. And yeah, this item is a food, and as you can see, it's very shiny. And yeah, I have to say, the camera, the microscope camera doesn't pick up the colors like in real life. Please take this into account. And here we go, here comes the next scene. And this is like the most interesting under the microscope, what I found. But in reality, you would throw this part of the item away. And this is the same thing, only turned around. And here you go, look at this, the slime. Yes, this item can get slimy very fast. And here's like the last scene, it's like the outside of the item, of the food. Alright, the stopper comes right now. And here we go, and the solution is banana. Alright, congratulations to everyone who got this one right, and let's have a look at normal view a little bit. Here's a gorgeous organic farming bananas from, doesn't say from where, but anyways, let's check it out. And yeah, so let's cut it. I always cut stuff. And yeah, you got a nice profile with like interesting structures. Here we go. And yeah, this feels like fun. Anyway, peeling now my banana. Yeah, they could they're not they could last one day or so, a little bit too early to eat them now, but anyways, yeah, nothing more to say really. Do you like to eat bananas? Do you like the riddles? Yes, this will be initially it will be a 100-part series. Well, so that's it. Thanks for watching, my friend, and see you in the next riddle.